And while ice, sleet and snow continue to wreak havoc across North Carolina, thousands of people were left without power across the state. Authorities have urged people to stay home in areas where driving is dangerous, and thousands of flights were also cancelled across the region. Nearly 672 crashes have been reported across North Carolina. The officials have also warned of black ice forming on the roads on Tuesday. Drivers have also reported losing control on icy patches. Emergency crew and the United States National Coast Guards are working round the clock to clear traffic accidents on major roads. And much of the winter snow in North Carolina usually falls in January and February. The winter storm also hit other parts of the southeast, including South Carolina, Virginia, Tennessee, Alabama and Georgia.